How to delete Instagram account permanently without password. The first things first, Instagram social media platform is actually a secure application in which they do not have that option for you to delete the account without entering your password, email, or even your phone number. But for you to be able to make this process complete, you just need to report your own account. To do so, open up your Instagram application and log into your temporary account. Now search for the account that you would like to be deleted, and then from there, just simply tap on the three dots at the top right portion of your screen. And here, just choose on report. Now, what do you want to report? Choose on something about this account, and then they are pretending to be someone else, and choose me. Then here, you can simply choose something else or scam or fraud. The main purpose here is to completely report the account, which actually belongs to you. Now, it will be validated for about 2 to 3 days, depending on the queue from the customer service on their end. But you just have to wait for a couple of days for you to be able to be provided with the details directly from the support. So I believe that's pretty much it. That's the most convenient way on deleting your Instagram account permanently without a password.